Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.
Now, the description here is also 5,000 characters or less. There's a place where you can use all the characters. I recommend you do. So when I go to do my upload default, I will pull the description from the upload default. If you do not have a TubeBuddy, maybe you only have one upload default, then you could type it in here or copy it in here or just insert from the default upload default that they have. So I'm going to show you what I do here, and then I'm going to show you the order that I put it in and why. So I'm going to go down here where I can get into my upload defaults, and I'm going to click on the down arrow, and it's going to show me all of my upload defaults, and I'm going to go into my free YouTube training library. And I'm going to click on that, and then I have the option of doing some or all of these inserts that will auto-populate. I already changed my title, so I'm going to take that out. Please remember to take the title out, or you're going to have, let's say you're uploading 4 or 5 videos, they're all going to have the same title. So you want to try to keep your title where you can change it to be specific. And then you hit apply. And while I'm hitting apply, it takes a few seconds, and then all of a sudden you'll see the tags show up and the description show up that I already prepared. Let's just see that going. Also, you don't, like I said, you don't need to put everything in. And so if you put everything in except for the tags, you can go back to your upload default and just insert the tags. It's okay. So here you can see the tags uploaded, and here's the description. Since we're on that, we're just going to stay here for now. When I created the upload default, I put in some placeholders. So before I go any further, I want to put in the title verbatim. So I copy the title here, and I paste it here, and that's going to make a difference. Once you put in your title verbatim, the next 2 to 3 lines are going to be your call to action. The whole purpose of these 3 lines, and then the one with the full title, is that people, when they get to see your video, it's going to show a more button, and they're only going to show things before the more button unless your viewer hits the more button. I'll show you what that looks like as soon as I save this. And so we want you to put anything you're asking people to do. So what is a call to action? A CTA is a call to action. And you can, call to action is several different things. You can use a call to action to ask people to subscribe or share or leave a comment or ask a question. You could ask them to go to a link to another video. You could ask them to go to your membership. You could ask them to go to your website, any digital product, the link to a book. The link to your guest's book if you have a podcast. So you can use this with a link attached or just to suggest that they subscribe. You're going to decide how much you need that call to action. Is it one that you've been using? Is it time to share a different one? Or is this a brand new one? So if you have an event, you can also put a link to that, but you have to remember to take it out when the event is over. So that's really important. Leave yourself a message. If you decide that you want your calls to action to look differently, there's a way that you can, and with TubeBuddy, you could actually pull out this entire sentence through TubeBuddy on multiple videos at the same time. So if you've been putting the same thing out there for 20 videos, 50 videos, you could put this in and then say, I want to remove it, or I want to remove it and I want to replace it. So it's really cool if you do that. Like my link changed for one of my affiliate programs. I put in the old link, I had it search it, and then I just went in there and said, change it to this. And it took seconds to do. Let me see if I can just show this video to you on what it's going to look like before the more button. This video is in unlisted mode right now, so you'll only see certain things when it comes to SEO. So you see right here is a more button. And my call to action has the link that's showing before the link. So all you want to do is make sure that whatever you're asking to do, they could read or click before that more button. Okay, so another thing that you want to maybe have a placeholder for, or at least know if you didn't do the upload default with us, is you want to have any links that you want, people that you, affiliate links, or people that you want to give attribution to. If you have their music or any of their artwork or any quotes from them, you want to have a place for that. You want to have a place for your chapters. I leave my chapters usually at the bottom because we'll show you chapters in a little bit. And any affiliate disclaimers if you have an affiliate product that you want to use. Since we went over that already, I just want to say that when you bring in the default, this is where you can make your changes that are specific to your video. You could remove half of this and just make it specific, but it's better to remove it than to not have it and forget. In the future, if you can't see your save button and you just made changes, or if you see a red line around your description, go down here and check why. It means you probably went over your maximum characters and you will not be able to save it, and all your work will be lost.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library, brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.